Is red meat the villain of your diet, or a misunderstood hero? For decades, red meat has been demonized as the enemy of health. But is it all hype, or is there truth to the claims? Join us on a deep dive into the world of red meat as we debunk 10 common myths and misconceptions. From heart disease and cancer to weight gain and hormones, we'll separate fact from fiction and help you make informed choices about this popular food. So, grab your steak knives, metaphorically speaking, and get ready to have your red meat knowledge sharpened. Myth 1. All red meat is bad for you. This one's a biggie. While processed red meat like sausages and bacon can be harmful, lean cuts like sirloin or flank steak can be part of a healthy diet. They're packed with protein, iron, and zinc, essential nutrients for our bodies. The truth is processed red meat is often high in saturated fat, sodium, and nitrates, which can contribute to health problems. Lean cuts of red meat are lower in fat and contain essential nutrients like protein, iron, and zinc. Moderation is key. Enjoying lean red meat in moderation as part of a balanced diet can be perfectly healthy. Myth 2. White meat is always healthier, while chicken and turkey can be great choices. They're not automatically healthier than red meat. It depends on the cut and preparation. Lean cuts of red meat cooked in a healthy way can be just as nutritious as white meat. Both red and white meat can be part of a healthy diet. The key is to choose lean cuts and cooking methods that minimize fat and calories. For example, a grilled chicken breast is a healthier option than a deep-fried drumstick. Myth 3. Red meat causes heart diseases, while excessive red meat consumption, especially processed meats, can be a risk factor for heart disease. It's not the only one. It's important to consider your overall diet, including saturated fat and calorie intake, for a complete picture of heart health. The truth is a diet high in saturated fat and cholesterol, regardless of the source, can increase the risk of heart disease. Moderation and healthy cooking methods are key. Focusing on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is crucial for heart health. Myth 4. Red meat causes cancer. Research suggests a link between excessive red meat consumption and certain cancers, but it's not a direct cause and effect. Moderation and choosing lean cuts are key. Here is the truth. Studies show a correlation between high red meat consumption and an increased risk of certain cancers. However, other factors like genetics, lifestyle, and overall diet also play a role. Choosing lean cuts and cooking methods that minimize harmful compounds like heterocyclic amines is important. Myth 5. Red meat makes you gain weight. Red meat itself doesn't directly cause weight gain. It's the overall calorie intake and portion sizes that matter. Eating red meat in moderation as part of a balanced diet can be compatible with weight management. Weight gain is primarily caused by consuming more calories than you burn. Red meat can be part of a healthy diet, but portion control and mindful eating are crucial. Focusing on a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is essential for weight management. Myth 6. Red meat is full of hormones. While some meat may contain hormones, it's highly regulated and unlikely to impact human health in significant ways. The truth is the use of hormones in livestock is strictly monitored and controlled by government agencies. The amount of hormones present in meat is minimal and unlikely to affect human hormone levels. Focusing on choosing lean cuts and healthy cooking methods is more important for overall health. Myth 7. Red meat causes antibiotic resistance. Antibiotic overuse in livestock is a concern, but it's not directly related to consuming red meat. The truth. The overuse of antibiotics in livestock can contribute to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. However, consuming properly cooked meat does not directly transfer these resistant bacteria to humans. Supporting responsible farming practices that minimize antibiotic use is crucial for overall public health. Myth 8. Red meat increases the risk of premature death. While excessive red meat consumption, especially processed meats, may be a contributing factor, it's not the only one influencing lifespan. Overall diet and lifestyle play a significant role. The truth is studies suggest a link between high red meat intake and an increased risk of premature death. However, this is likely due to the cumulative effects of various factors like saturated fat, processed food consumption, and overall diet quality. Focusing on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and moderate amounts of lean protein is important for longevity. Myth 9. Grass-fed beef is always better. While grass-fed beef may have a slightly different nutrient profile, both grass-fed and grain-fed beef can be healthy options depending on the cut and preparation. Grass-fed beef may be higher in certain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid. However, both grass-fed and grain-fed beef can be good sources of protein, iron, and other essential nutrients. The key is to choose lean cuts and cooking methods that minimize fat and calories. Myth 10. Red meat is inherently unhealthy. Lean cuts of red meat can be part of a healthy diet in moderation, providing essential nutrients like protein, iron, and zinc. Red meat is a good source of protein, iron, zinc, and other essential nutrients. Choosing lean cuts and healthy cooking methods like grilling, baking, or roasting is crucial. Moderation and a balanced diet are key for overall health. So there you have it, folks. We've busted 10 common myths about red meat. Remember, moderation and mindful choices are key. Enjoying red meat as part of a balanced diet can be perfectly healthy when done right. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more myth-busting content.